Fasting benefits. Fasting deliberates abstention from food or caloric beverage for defined period has gained attention from the potential health benefits. It's important to note that fasting is not suitable for everyone and individuals should consult with healthcare professional before attempting any form of fasting, especially if they have underlying health condition. Here are some potential benefits of fasting. Weight management. Fasting can help some people reduce calorie intake, which may lead weight loss, and it can help also improve the insulin sensitivity, making it easier to manage body weight. Second is improved metabolic health. Fasting can lower blood sugar level and reduce insulin resistance, potentially lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes. Third benefit is heart health. Some form of fasting has been associated with improved heart, including reduced risk factors for cardiovascular disease like lower blood pressure, improved cholesterol level, and decreased inflammation. Repair and autophagy. Fasting may stimulate a process called autophagy, which is body's way of cleaning out damaged cell and regenerating new ones. This process may have implication for longevity and disease prevention. Brain health. Some studies suggest that fasting may support the brain health by promoting the production of brain derived neurotrophic factor BDNF, which is involved in cognitive function and neuroplastic plasticity. Inflammation reduction. Fasting can lead to reduce reduction of in markers of inflammation in the body, which is linked with numerous chronic disease. Longevity. Some animal studies have shown that certain fasting regimens can extend lifespan, through these effects in humans are still under the investigation. Mental clarity. Some people reports improved mental clarity, focus during the fasting periods. Gut health. Intermittent fasting and certain fasting pattern may support a healthier gut microbiomes, which can have positive effect on digestion and overall health. Potential cancer benefit. Will While more research is needed, some animal studies suggested that fasting may slow the growth of cancer cells, make them once more vulnerable to treatment. It's important to approach fasting with caution and consider individual factors such as age, medical history, activity level. Different fasting methods such as intermittent fasting, time restricted eating, and extended fast can have varying effects and may not be suitable for everyone. Additionally, fasting should not be used as a quick fixed or extreme weight loss method. A balanced, nutritious diet remains essential for overall health. Before attempting fasting, it advisable to consult with a health care provider or registered dietitian to determine whether it is safe and appropriate for your specific circumstance. And proper hydration and monitoring are crucial during the fasting period.